This video is gonna be fun. It's like the club moves you wanna take to the club next time you go out with your girls or your guys. All right, so starting with your feet nice and neutral, okay? Just hip width or maybe a little bit wider than that. You're gonna start with the cross. 1, and then we're gonna call it ball change. Ball change means to transfer your weight from one foot to the other quickly. So this is a step and this is a ball change. Ball change also involves an and count. Maybe this is more information that you care for, but this is a whole count because it's a step and whole. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And you notice on 1 I cross, and 2 I spread my feet out and I quickly shift my feet, shift my weight. Again, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Cross, ball change. Cross, ball change. Good? Let's try it with music. 5, 6, 7.
When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no.
And you can keep it really chill. Really chill. Then you can take it bigger.
I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love.
Rock the bow. You can start with your right or with your left. Doesn't really matter. For this video, let's start with the left. You're gonna take it forward. Mark that back foot, actually lift it off the ground, and then take that left foot back. So essentially my right foot stays in place, but it's important you pick up your feet. Don't be lazy and leave it on the ground. Pick it up. Like you have tap shoes on, and I should hear your feet hitting the ground every single time. Always alternating, always shifting your weight. Cool? Now you see my body starts doing it, right? So that step becomes a side step because you're gonna bring your shoulder back and forth. So that shoulder comes back in front with that left foot, right? So essentially becomes a profile step. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you see my bounce, bounce, bounce. Every time I bounce, I plie, bounce, bounce. Good. Now you're gonna rock the hips side to side, hence the name of the step. Rock the boat, and rock the boat, and rock the boat, and rock the boat. And we're gonna try it with music. And with music, wherever you are, you can turn this step around, or you can do it to a person and keep it right here. You can keep it cute under you, big, turning around. I'll show you all these examples. Ready? Let's have some fun. Small, small. Now let's go bigger. Ready? Okay, next one, the A-Town Stomp. This is one of my favorites. It originated a long time ago and it will live on. It's never gonna go away. We're gonna start facing the corner right here. And maybe you wanna start with your left foot. You always want that foot, the foot that you start with is gonna be away from the person that's looking at you, right? So right now, if I'm facing my left corner, my left foot is away from you. So I'm gonna kick that left foot. I'm gonna go kick, kick, and then wherever that heel is shooting towards, that's what I will land, okay? And I'm gonna turn my body to the other side, use my other foot, because that's the foot that's away from you. Now it's my right foot. I go kick, kick, boom. Wherever that heel is pointing to is where you will land, right? So you see me traveling. I go kick, kick, land, where that heel was pointing to, kick, kick, land, yeah? And you can take it slow, slow, pa, and bounce. Slow, slow, pa, or you can go fast, T, T, ha, T, T, ha. And anytime you land on the A stomp, you can go from one A-Town stomp to the other, or you can chill right there, maybe add a little hip roll, maybe add a little toe sway, and go back to A-Town. We'll play around right now, okay? Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, slow.
Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no Fanta.
Faster.
You got time into, got time for me to, baby, nice what you know. I met a girl from the UK.
Now I'm gonna stop right here.
I tell her come if you wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM.
Just for fun, let's put all three together. We're gonna do the crossball change, rock the boat, A-Town stomp, and that's it. Let's do it.
You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no Fanta. Hey, hey, tepe, niña tombong pantalla maybe.
did it. Triple threat, make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and come back for more, okay? We got your back, we promise. Take care.